good, y'all? Welcome to Beauty Girl Magic. I'm Melissa Ray. What products you should not be using to retwist your locks? Now, I don't like to tell people what to do, but let me just say, I didn't have a good experience using these products on my hair. Now, I realize everyone is different. I get it. I still wanted to share with you products that I tried to retwist my locks that turned out horrible, and I will never revisit again. Okay, so the first product I'm gonna talk about, I made an attempt to use this product and yeah, it didn't work out for me, and that is beeswax. I don't like the consistency of beeswax on my hair, on my roots, you know, and to me, it just leaves so much product buildup, like that you can see. To me, it just makes the roots of the lock look nasty. Look, what I use to retwist my locks, right? Initially, you might see it on my roots, but when it dries clear. Okay, so you don't really see it. Like, you barely see it in the first place, to be real. You barely see it. You might see a little bit. You might see a little bit at the roots when it's still damp and freshly retwisted. But once my hair is no longer damp, once my hair is dry, completely dry, the product I use dries clear. Beeswax, yeah, regardless if my hair is dry or not, yeah, it looks like a lot of buildup on my scalp, and I don't like it. I don't like it. Okay, so another product I do not like using on my locks is any type of butters or oils. I've used Shea Butter before to retwist my locks, and I used coconut oil, I believe. It was some kind of oil. I don't know if it was coconut oil, but I definitely used Shea Butter. That I'm certain of. And I did not like the results. I just didn't. I didn't get any type of residue like I do with beeswax. Unless you're going with a lot of Shea Butter, then maybe you might have some type of buildup on the root of your locks. But for the most part, that wasn't an issue. My thing was, whenever I go with some kind of butter or oil to retwist my locks, it just doesn't look good. It just doesn't look neat, you know? I retwist my locks every 2 to 3 weeks, give or take. Whenever I retwist my locks, I want it to look really neat, really nice, fresh, you know, like that. Oh, okay, I got my hair done. I just got a fresh retwist. Yes. You know, you could actually see the parts and everything looks good. But whenever, you know, I go in with just like Shea Butter or any type of oil alone to retwist my locks, it never looks like the way I want it to look. To me, it don't even look like I retwisted my hair. It really don't. I don't know if it's just me, but whenever I do that, it don't look like I retwisted it. It don't. I just be like, dang, I just retwisted my hair looking rough already. Like, I just don't like the results, period. The only thing it looks like is that I put grease on my head. That's all it looks like. Even if I sat there, retwisted it and put clips and all that stuff, by the time my hair dries and I remove the clips, I just look like I just greased my head and that was it. It don't really look neat. So I prefer to not retwist my hair with any type of oil or butters. It doesn't work out for me. Okay, so the last product I'm going to talk about that I do not like to use to retwist my locks is actually a particular brand. Okay, now believe it or not, I used Eco Styling Gel to retwist my locks. I used 3 different types. I used the extrovert, I think it's the olive oil one. I'm gonna throw pictures up so you can see. The Jamaican Black Castor Oil one, and then what was the last one? I think it was like a Shea Butter. It was like yellow, and I think it has Shea Butter in it and something else. But I tried that one as well. All 3 gels were a flop to me. All 3. I personally prefer to use some type of gel to retwist my locks. So, you know, I said, let me try Eco Styler. Why not? it's a gel. It has the consistency that I like. So I went in. Boy, oh boy, what a mistake. Just a lot going on. It was just, and I'm thinking like, okay, maybe when it dries, it'll dry clear. No, it did not dry clear. It stayed white, that filmy white consistency on my hair, and even when my hair was dry, it remained the same. Like, I was like, I gotta wash my hair all over again. I was so mad. Like, that's how bad it looked. I felt like I had to wash my hair all over again. It was not a good look. Now, I've tried cheap gels before, but for some reason, Eco Styler is not it. Oh, and also another gel that I use that's not good is the black gel. What is the brand of it? Is it Ampro? I think it's called Ampro, if I'm not mistaken. I'll find the information for you guys, but I believe it's Ampro is what it's called. It's the black gel. And I thought, oh, okay, it's black. My hair is black. So yeah, let me go ahead and use this gel. That also left a lot of buildup on my roots. Like, even though the gel is dark in color, it still left that producty on my roots that didn't go away after my hair dried. So you can clearly see I had a lot of product on my roots, and it just didn't go away. I would have to wash it out. So I went and got the gels that I usually use. I didn't want to get up, but I said, you know, let me just go ahead and get it. My favorite gel, of course, is this, the Genuine African Formula Super Grow Hair Gel. This is the gel I was referring to that I found at the dollar store that I lucked up on that actually was good for my hair. This is the Lusty Argan Oil Curl Wave Twist Shaping Gel. This gel is only $1 and it leaves no type of buildup. Even when you apply it, when it's wet, you don't see it at all on my roots, at all. This you see a little bit, but then it dries clear. But this, you don't see none. I will go in with this or this for the most part to retwist my locks. I want to thank you for watching. Please do me a favor, like, comment, and subscribe. That's how I know that you like the stuff that I'm putting out here. And hopefully I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.